Have you ever pondered the mind-boggling possibility of Earth being larger than the Sun? A question that seems to defy the laws of nature and science as we know it. Today, our Earth is but a tiny speck in comparison to the massive, fiery ball of gas that is our Sun. In fact, the Sun is over 1 million times the volume of Earth. But what if we turn this reality on its head? What if, in an alternate universe, our home planet dwarfed the Sun? It's a fascinating thought experiment that invites us to challenge our understanding of the cosmos. We'd have to reconsider everything we know about gravity, light, heat, and life itself. This is not an exercise in futility, but rather, an exploration of our universe's grandeur and complexity. It's an invitation to stretch our imaginations and broaden our horizons. So, let's delve into the implications of this hypothetical scenario. Understanding the implications of a larger Earth requires a basic grasp of astrophysics. Diving into the heart of the matter, the science of size is essentially a tango between mass, gravity, and nuclear fusion. Let's break it down. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, and our Sun is about 330,000 times the mass of Earth. This enormous mass makes the Sun's gravity strong enough to hold all the planets, including Earth, in their orbits. Meanwhile, gravity, the invisible force that pulls objects towards each other, is directly proportional to mass. So a larger Earth would have a stronger gravitational pull. But what about nuclear fusion? This is the process the Sun uses to generate light and heat. It's essentially a giant nuclear reactor. Now, if Earth was larger than the Sun, it could potentially have enough mass to trigger its own nuclear fusion. With these principles in mind, we can start to unravel the effects of our supersized Earth. Imagine waking up one day on an Earth that's larger than the Sun. What changes would we see? Let's dive into the realm of the hypothetical. If Earth were to suddenly balloon in size and become larger than the Sun, the effects would be profound and far-reaching. First, there would be a dramatic increase in our planet's gravitational pull. This would mean a heavier atmosphere, and we'd all feel a lot heavier too. The climate would change dramatically as a result of an increased atmosphere. Higher atmospheric pressure could lead to a denser, hotter climate, making life as we know it a lot more challenging. The biodiversity of our planet could be threatened as species struggle to adapt to these new conditions. Now let's talk about Earth's orbit. A larger Earth would have a stronger gravitational pull, which could potentially pull it out of its current orbit. This could lead to a new orbital path around the Sun, significantly altering our seasons and possibly even our day-night cycle. And what about the rest of the solar system? With Earth now the largest body, the gravitational balance of our solar system would be thrown off. Planets could be pulled into different orbits or even flung out of the solar system entirely. But what if Earth didn't just grow overnight? What if it slowly increased in size over billions of years? In a world where Earth slowly grew to outsize the Sun, different consequences might unfold. Let's take a journey into this alternate universe. Over billions of years, Earth's gradual increase in size would have profound effects on the development of life and the formation of our solar system. Imagine, the gravitational pull of our planet would intensify, potentially altering the paths of nearby celestial bodies, even causing some to be drawn into a spiraling descent towards Earth. As for life, it would need to adapt to increasing gravity, evolving in ways we can scarcely imagine. The Sun, dwarfed by the giant Earth, would orbit around us rather than the other way around. This could wreak havoc with our climate, causing extreme shifts in temperature and potentially making life as we know it unsustainable. As mind-bending as these scenarios are, they remind us of the delicate balance that allows life to exist on Earth. So, we've journeyed through a universe where Earth dwarfs the Sun. We've explored the unimaginable, delved into the science of size, and pondered over the impacts of a colossal Earth. We've even contemplated a scenario of slow growth. But through all these explorations, one truth persists: size and balance matter in our solar system. It's a delicate dance of celestial bodies, each playing its part. While it's fascinating to explore these what-ifs, we're pretty fortunate that Earth is exactly the size it needs to be. Thank you for embarking on this cosmic journey with us today, as we explored the hypothetical scenario of eclipsing the Sun. What if Earth was bigger? We hope you've enjoyed this ride into the realms of the unknown, and that we've sparked your curiosity just a little bit more. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries, and we're here to help you unravel them, one video at a time. So don't forget to hit that like button if you've enjoyed today's content, share this video with your fellow curious minds, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the extraordinary. Keep questioning, keep learning, and above all, stay curious.